the Tang Hot Pot. Tang Hot Pot. Right, so this is the Tang Hot Pot.
You can't see the sign.
Tang, you can't see the sign, and there have a grade pending. Okay, so I'm going into the Tang Hot Pot. Tang Hot Pot. We have 7 p.m. reservations. All right, so we're going into. Okay, so we're here at Tang Hot Pot, and we're gonna give this place a try. We got 2 gift cards. We're gonna try a broth and 1 of each on the meat and the chicken, and I guess. All right, so Scott's getting ready for the pot, and we're gonna add our. All right, so this is the hot pot spoons. They look like copper. They're copper spoons. Here's our sauce: garlic, chives, and some peppers. Here at Tang Hot Pot. Spicy hot, yep.
What's that? It's really spicy. Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna get the spicy.
Yeah, we'll get that.
Yeah.
So you want a half cup or you want like
No,
hot.
just hot. Okay. Yes, it's probably the half and half.
Yeah, I'll eat it. So here's our thing. Take the peppers out. So I got a lot of peppers. It's cooking up. All right, we got our pots going. We're winding down the pot. We got everything cooking up. We went for all our meats, vegetables. It's a spicy pot. They just refilled the broth. And it looks like a pretty good, flavorful pot here at Tang Hot Pot, ChinaTown, New York City. All right, I got the, I'm gonna put some of the meat in. Scott, I'm gonna put some of the meat in, all right, for our pot. Now you can scoop some of it out. Let it cook a little. Give it about, almost a minute cooking. There's the pot. It's a nice pot. Has a very different taste. It's not real spicy. It's got a real flavorful, different flavor. All right, there's the. When we go to a hot pot, we always finish the pot. You can see we finished everything.